Dang, dude, I'm so popular that fucking shit. I need to make 2-part series. Gerardo, YouTuber on the rise. I know this makes literally no sense, but hold on. Okay, remember how previously up here, this made sense. This stayed the same right here, and then we used the number lower than that to put it here, and that got the factorial, which is what we did here. This stays the same here without the factorial, but the number that comes before it, 3, gets the factorial. So 3 times 2 times 1 is actually 3 factorial, right? Right? Okay. It's the same thing here. This stays the same, this -5, but we use the number that comes before it, and you know how they're negative numbers? So this is smaller than that, because they all go to 0, and 0 is the biggest number, and then 1, right? See how they increase going this way? It's basically the same thing. So -6 comes before -5. I know, right? Crazy. So this stays the same, but we use the number that comes before that, or you know, -1, to get this number factorial. So we can rewrite this as, this stays the same, and then we use the number that comes before it, the -6, factorial. These cancel out. And that just leaves us with the sexy formula of 3n minus 5 over n plus 1. Okay? Whew. Okay. And don't forget that it's all equal to 1. I just forgot to write that. Okay? So let's move this back over here, and let's distribute this in. So 3n minus 15 equals n plus 1. To solve algebraically, minus n, 2n plus 15, 16. Divide by 2, n equals 16. Okay. Does this make sense? I'm going to take a screenshot just in case you need it. And let's double check our work, shall we? So our n, which is what we solved for, 8, is 8 factorial, 6 factorial. 8 minus 6 is 2, and then we leave the 3 outside. And this is n plus 1, so that's 9, 6 factorial, because that's r, and minus r is 3 factorial. Okay? And so these will cancel all the way up to 6, so that leaves us with 8 times 7 over 2 times 1 equals, and then this cancels all the way up to 6 again, so 9 times 8. Okay, so then the 6 cancels all the way up to the 6. I think it was 9 times 8 and 7 times 3 to 1. Don't be stupid and fucking multiply them all out and divide by that. This cancels to 3, this cancels to 4, and this is the same. 12 times 7, that's 84. Okay. And then this cancels to 4. This already cancels. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 times 3. It's okay, 28 times 3 is 84. Just making sure. So 84 does indeed equal 84. And worst possible case scenario, you're like, what the fuck did you just say? Just plug them in. Just plug them back in. I mean, would you rather learn half a semester worth of material in like the 5 minutes that you need to do this question? Or you just want to plug them in? Just plug them in how I showed you right now. So try the 8, try the 11, the 8, blah, 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 blah. See one which works. Worst case scenario, you have no idea what I just fucking said. Okay? You got this.